Yeah, hi. The project title name is Hand Gesture Based Biomedical Approach for the Disabled Persons. So, in this project, we are using an power supply module, 5 volts power supply unit, the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. Total entire section is called power supply unit, 5 volts power supply. So here I will tell you a circuit diagram in briefly. So let's come to the block diagram. 8089S52 microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller, total 40 pin IC, 4 ports. So in this project we are using port to 2. It is connected to the MCP3208 ADC. Successive approximation 12-bit ADC, and it is connected to the ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor. It is connected, and here we are using an LED and 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, internal process should be displayed on the LCD. So the title, name, everything should be displayed on the LCD. It is monitoring unit. And relay coil, AC bulb, 230 volt 15 watt AC bulb we are using. SPDT relay, single pole double through the relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the AC bulb. Driver IC, one DC fan, and one driver IC. So the driver IC name is BC547 transistor driver IC to switch the any appliances. So mainly high current purpose we are using the fan, and a driver IC, one DC motor. So here also we are two DC motors we are using. Let us coming into the hardware part. So 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC. This is center tapped transformer, but we are taking 0 to 9 only. 0 to 9 volts 750 milliamp transformer. So mainly current purpose I taken the transformer. Due to relay and motor purpose I taken the transformer. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So 330 ohm resistor and one LED. So this is reset button. If the program is stuck, we need to restart the button. And here MCP3208 ADC, to it is connected to the ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor. So if you bend like this, bulb light on, bulb and fan on. So if you bulb on, fan off. If you bend, fan and LED on, and fan and LED should be off. So here 8089S52 microcontroller. It's an 8-bit microcontroller, 40 pin IC. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Port 0, it is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display, and it is character LCD display. 16 character and 2 line LCD display. And here 5 volts relay coil, SPDT relay, switching relay, and 15 watt AC bulb we are using, 0 bulb. And here DC motor, and crystal 11.0159 megahertz crystal. This crystal is the heart of the circuit for the controller to generate the clock pulses to the internal CPU to execute the program. And one LED, 330 ohm resistor. And this is 10k resistor, 10k resistor, 10k resistor, 10k resistor, 1k resistor. And 1k resistors are connected to the BC547 transistor. One transistor, one motor, and other transistor for this motor. And these are the 10k resistors. Okay, this 1k resistor, it is connected to the transistor base, and it is giving the input to transistor, and output should be connected to the DC motors. Let's go to the output execution. Okay, and the project title name is Hand Gesture Biomedical Approach for Disables XYZ. So this ADC is having XYZ coordinates. So depend upon tilting of the angle, and it gives the exact output. So if you are bending like this, right side, bulb on, and as it is, fan should be on. If you bend left side, and bulb off, and as it is, fan also off. And if you bend front side, LED on, and as it is, fan also on. And if you bend back side, LED off, and as it is, fan also up. And we are using only XY coordinates, but we are collecting the Z. And future you can go for the Z coordinates also. So this is Z coordinate, but ultimately we are not using Z coordinate. Only we are using the XY coordinate to control the appliances. Future we can go for Z coordinate to add more appliances on this project. Thanking you.